Welcome back to the master plan community of Verado in beautiful Buckeye, Arizona. Today we're looking at a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, modern ranch-style home with a hidden secret. Verado is a master plan community in the White Tanks Mountains. Natural beauty meets upscale living. It also boasts 2 championship golf courses, a clubhouse on the hill, a bistro on the mountain, and a main street that gives a small town feel. Inside, the desert palette fits nicely in this Sonoran desert community, but that's not the secret. While we have granite countertops and upscale cabinetry, backyard is what really makes this home a heated PebbleTech cool deck pool surrounded by terraced landscaping. A private enclave for you to relax year-round. And you can't beat the views from any street here in Verado. So come visit today, experience upscale living with a small town feel and natural beauty.